Give me just 1 minute, I'll show you how to use Google Maps even when you have no service. This has saved me more times than I can count when I'm out traveling internationally or just out in remote areas. First, before you lose service, search the city or area that you'll be going to. For this example, let's say we're going to Mongolia and we won't have any cell service when we get there. Next, tap Download Offline Maps. Choose the area, download it, and that's it. Once you're there, even with zero service and on airplane mode, Google Maps still works with GPS navigations, directions, streets, and landmarks. I recommend doing this before every road trip, hike, and international trip. Before I go, I want to show you where to find your offline downloaded maps. First, open Google Maps and clear the search tab. Next, tap your profile photo on the top right. And finally, click on Offline Maps and boom, all your downloaded offline maps are there and you can edit them. If you learned something today and found this video helpful, please subscribe. And for more 1-minute travel tips, check out this video on the screen now.